More limits. You can't go plugging in that 0 for h. I think you know why. So let's just do it right. We're looking for the limit as h approaches 0. Now I know if I've got the square of a binomial, that means I have two of them, and I'm going to use FOIL. Soon enough, I will distribute that -8. Next, I will distribute this negative. Lots of writing to do. Let's show it again. We're going to use FOIL. When we do use FOIL, the outers give us an XH. The inners also give us an XH, or you could call it HX. I'm going to take that in one step. The first make x squared, the outers XH, the inners XH. Weird to be out of alphabetical order. Order doesn't matter. And the last h squared. We'll distribute that -8. That's -8x, -8h. Add 7, another negative to distribute. -x squared, +8x, take away 7, and it's all over h. Oh, something's got to go. Well, these x squares, they can go. The 8x's, they're opposites. The 7's, let them go. Now, who remains? We're looking at the limit as h approaches 0. Double xh plus h squared minus 8h, all divided by h. Now you can cancel fast or slow. Suppose I'll make this moment last and write it again. We could factor out that GCF, take out an h. When we do, we're left with double x plus h, take away 8. It's all over h. Now, it's appropriate to cancel between top and bottom. We're looking for the limit as h approaches 0. I have no more simplifying to do. I'm ready to plug that in. That's double x plus 0 take away 8. Double x minus 8. That's our limit. Done.